am not gonna let you just walk into AEW and take that away. Not now, not a double or nothing, never.
Please say hello to your CEO. Now, Willow, you want to talk about legacy to me? You know, money changes everything is not just a catchphrase, it's a fact. Back in 2015 at Brooklyn, while you were still training, I was out here creating and changing the game forever. You want to talk about dedication? Scratching and clawing your way to the top? What about breaking down the doors and kicking down glass ceilings? That's what I did. You wouldn't be here without me, Willow. And look, I respect you. I have so much respect for you. I think you are a great champion. But there's a difference between being great and being the greatest of all time. Now let's talk about the face of TBS. I mean, you should be looking at the new face of TBS. That's right. I've known you see me on the red carpet, throwing out the first pitches, sitting courtside, because that's what a CEO does. And now, Willow, I know the best part of your career was beating me, but at Double or Nothing, now that I am healthy, you losing will still be the best part that ever happened to you. Because my legacy, it's all about winning.
You keep believing that. Because the last time we wrestled, I walked away a champion. And you didn't walk out at all.
Wow.
God, I love contract signing.
I don't blame Mercedes for slapping her after that comment.
Some spicy words there from the TBS. Oh, Mercedes! She tried to use the belt and now Willow.
Oh, God. Got the bomb gun. You can see it's coming.